Best of week 7, and we start in Kansas City. The Chiefs now 4-2. Alex Smith has a new deep threat. It's a rookie out of West Alabama. It's Tyreek Hill.
Yeah, this is not a fancy offense, but they can make plays, Coach.
Chiefs have won 2 in a row. Oakland in Jacksonville. The Raiders now 5-2. Best start since 01. It's Derek Carr. It's Michael Crabtree. As simple as that.
They are playing great football, 4 road wins already.
They'll be on the road next week in Tampa. Buffalo and Miami. Jay Ajayi.
Now, he's brought a new attitude to this team. Not just the offense, but to this team, man.
Nothing fancy, just hard, tough running. Call it the Hail AJ.
I call it luck.
It's AJ Green.
No, this isn't luck. He was doing this all day long.
AJ Green somehow came down with it.
Luck.
New England and Pittsburgh. 2 more touchdowns for Tom Brady. That's 8 touchdowns, no interceptions so far this season. This for the Gronk.
Yeah, he saw the safety split. Brock one-on-one against the smaller cornerback.
Pats face the Bills in Buffalo. Then San Diego and Atlanta. Josh Lambo. And it's good.
We talked about Dan Quinn's decision to go for it on 4th and 1 all week.
They came back from 17 down. Special teams were just that with Philadelphia. The offense has struggled mightily. That's Josh Huff, and I don't know if they placed a glove on him. He's gone. 98 yards for the score. Eagles hand the Vikings their first loss of the season. Washington and Detroit. Matthew Stafford did it again during a 3-game winning streak. 8 touchdowns, no interceptions.
This last drive, Rodney, he was incredible.
Very impressive, Coach.
Antoine Bolden. Giants, Rams in London. Case Keenum picked off 4 times, including this ridiculous pick 6 by Landon Collins.
Might be time for a quarterback change, Coach.
I think you're right. Great running, though, by Landon Collins. Looked like Rodney Harrison on this return.
You got that, Rodney?
A couple times, man.
Victor Cruz starts the best sound of week 7.
Hello. The acoustics in it. I don't like losing by 2 points, 1 point, or 30 points. It all stinks.
That was the first one, obviously, when it went through. He gave me a big hug and said a couple key words, but basically, congratulations, you old man.
I just told him it's a great time for some late game heroics. So he just kind of nods and goes to work.
We're not going to go down the street and pick up a bunch of guys. We need to get these guys better, and we need to do it quickly.
If it's not play of the year, there's got to be something really, really good that's going to happen the rest of this year.
Yeah, if a frog had wings, he wouldn't up his rear end so much, but that's all right. That's how that works.
Was it the catch of the year?